Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new lesson. Today, we are going to be looking at the alphabet, the English alphabet. And this video is important because the English alphabet is the beginning of everything in English: how to read, how to write, how to pronounce those words in English, and how to speak English the correct way. We will learn and pronounce the letters correctly in this lesson. I will tell you right from the beginning that this is the first video of 2 or 3 or maybe 4 videos about the English alphabet. So today this video will be short because this is the beginning of learning about the English alphabet. Let's begin. There are 26 letters of the English alphabet. These ones I have written in green are, if you know them, you say it aloud. These are vowels. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowels, and the rest of the letters are consonants. So in English, we have vowels and consonants. Okay? Uh-oh, what's going on with my pen? Consonants. Right. Let us read together. How do you read the English alphabet, these 26 letters? Listen carefully as I read, okay? Pay attention to the letters. What you see here written after the letter is the way you say the letter, okay? So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z if you are in the UK or in the US. Let us read again one more time. A, B, read together with me. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z. Let's continue. We are going to practice the alphabet, and each of these words begin with the letter of the alphabet. Okay? Listen while I read, and if you want to practice, you should repeat after me. Okay? Let's begin. Apple, ball, cat, dog, egg, fish, goat, house, ice cream, juice, key, lion, money, nose, orange, pen, quail, rose, 6, tree, umbrella, van, watch, x-ray, yellow, zebra. Would you like to practice these words again? Okay, let's go back. I am going to read faster. Listen and repeat. Apple, ball, cat, dog, egg, fish, goat, house, ice cream, juice, key, lion, money, nose, orange, pen, quail, rose, 6, tree, umbrella, van, watch, x-ray, yellow, zebra. And that is the end of this lesson. If you like this video, well, you might give it a thumbs up, you might share it, and also subscribe to the channel. In our next lesson, we are going to learn a little bit more about the alphabet. We are going to look at a different way to pronounce the sounds of the alphabet. Pay attention. The sounds of the alphabet. Pronouncing the sounds of the alphabet is not the same as the letters. Pronouncing the sounds of the alphabet will help you to read English words correctly. That is a big, big tip I have just given you. So come back to our channel in a couple of days and you will be able to learn about the vowels and also the sounds of the English alphabet. Bye.